What are we doing?
We are making a volcano that is going to make coloured foam.
So what you just put in?
Some vinegar, just normal malt vinegar. You can use clear vinegar apparently. I just bought that one. And what colour should we use, boys? Green, yellow, or let's use red, shall we? Lava is red, isn't it?
Yeah, lava is red.
Yeah, so
Oh, it looks more like red lava coming
a bit
out.
of that.
Oh, it looks like blood.
Right.
Oh,
Now this,
it looks like blood.
this is the magic. This is what will make all the foam. Ready? Put a little bit of this there. There we are. Something like that. Now this is what now is apparently meant to make it all go foamy now.
What is it?
Watch and see. Let's hope it works.
Stand back. Whoa.
Whoa.
How do you make it? How do you make it?
That.
It's a milkshake.
Just watch what happens. Look, it's going to keep coming up. There it goes. Watch. Hey, look at that. And we can change the colours now too. Watch, ready? Let that drop over.
Can I?
You can't eat it, definitely not.
Oh yeah, but it looks like glitter.
You could put glitter in it if
Harry.
you had glitter as well then.
It contains gluten.
You could put glitter in it as well. Put the orange in, what?
Oh, can I?
Look at that.
Put it all
Don't
in.
touch it, don't touch
Put
it.
it all in at the same
You
time.
don't want to put it all in.
Ooh, let me touch it. I want to touch it. It looks so good to touch.
How cool is that?
It
Hey?
feels
Don't
so...
put your fingers right in it. Don't lick it. Trust me, you don't want to. It wouldn't. It won't taste nice.
Wait, it tastes
More
good.
red, look.
It's blood.
And a little bit more green in there. Ready? And watch this now.
I kind of like it. It tastes nice. Oh, that looks rainbow. Wait,
Wow.
Whoa, if you look on this side, it's rainbow.
Yeah, you look